Come in. What happened to you? And where's your car?
Oh, nothing. I'm fine. And car has gone for repair.
Oh, what happened?
Yesterday a car suddenly hit their brake and I got out of control and hit the car. Now the other car is fine, but my car has got a lot of dents at the front. You know what the worst part is? I can't even get an insurance claim because I don't have a proof.
You know, this would have never happened to you if you had the UNO Minda DVR.
What?
This is the UNO Minda DVR system. It's going to take all that stress away. Do you see this camera? It records everything in crystal clear 1080 pixels so that every moment on the road is captured. And it's built to last. Made with metal body and ABS plastic. Plus, it's waterproof and dustproof with an IP67 rating. So rain or dust won't stop it.
Okay, but what about the storage? It's a lot of footage to save, right?
That's the best part. It supports SD card up to 128 GB. So no worries about storage for your loop recordings. You'll have plenty of space.
That is cool.
Now, here's the real game changer. ADAS. It's got lane departure warnings. So if you'll drift, it'll alert you. And when you're too close to the car in front of you, the forward vehicle too close alert kicks in.
This is so good. I see this telling how close the adjacent vehicle is.
Yeah, I can see. And all this is connected straight to your Android screen. So, you're all set.
Thank you so much for introducing me to this UNO Minda DVR. I'm going to get this in my car ASAP. Bye.